Good morning from Penang. Today is our third and last day here. We're gonna pick up our stuff, and first of all, we're gonna have a breakfast in the cafe just behind us. This is the place where we have a nice coffee, nice breakfast, and we are editing and uploading videos there because internet is also good. Later, we're gonna explore a little bit of Penang and going back to Kuala Lumpur. Our bagel with ham and cheese and our cappuccino, like this one. Winny have exactly the same with you. Cost us how much actually? How much?
12 ringgit.
12 ringgits for all of this. And then I can edit my video after that. So good.
Okay, so Damian is still working and then I already feel bored. I decided to stroll around the cafe and go outside. What? Wow, what is it? Wow. Basically, that's the hotel there where we staying. And next to it, there is a coffee shop where we go and look at this on the street. Wow. The brand new Ferrari. Cool. Is this Penang? Yes, it's this. Super cool fancy car. So many fancy things here. Look, next to it another fancy car as well. And yeah, I just want to stroll to show you how it is. And next to it there is the McAllister Hotel lobby. One thing that I will show you, this one is McAllister Hotel lobby, and this one is the saloon, and also this one is the dessert place. Unfortunately, it's closed. Alright, so it's lunchtime, so we decided to go to the food court or hawker center next to us. Look at this at lunchtime. It's full packed of people. So I'll show you around what are the food. So basically that's our hotel, and the food court is actually next to a hotel. This one, MS Food Court. And first of all, I'll show you this one. They have a nasi lemak. Oh, with the price like this. So many, nasi lemak here. And then they also have this one, the noodle. And they also have a fried kway teow here. In Penang is famous for the kway teow, and also they have a roasted chicken rice. Everything here looks so tempting, but I'm not sure what food I will order today. And looks around, maybe I will start from here. They have a very nice freshly baked delicious pastries. Probably I will order later. For dessert, Thai food, another Thai food here. Oh, so nice. They also have a Western food here. Oh, my food is coming. You order me something?
Yeah.
Oh, what you order?
This is wonton mee.
Wonton mee
Like
again?
yesterday. And this?
Oh, you order me this one?
Yeah.
Oh, the fish bihun. Looks so good. So how much is it? 9 ringgit, right? The thing about this hawker center is a very clean place, spacious, and also the fan on the top, so it's not that hot. And look at that, super clean. And Damian having his wonton mee, his favorite one. So here they have a cucur udang, nasi goreng Singapore, and this one is the wonton mee. And the next is Hokkien mee. They have Hokkien mee and love mee. They have a young tofu. So many varieties. The food looks so fresh. The next one, they have a lala curry mee. Looks so tempting as well. And chicken porridge. And this one I think it's closed. And this one that I ordered before, the fish head bihun, this one for 9 ringgit. And this one is for the drink, actually. And I would like to order for dessert. It's dessert time. Looks so tempting. Oh, so many nice cake here. And pastries. Oh. So I order for dessert. This one, the cream puff, looks so yum. How much is it? This one is the place. See, more and more people are coming. The place so clean. So we order dessert for cream puff. Cost me the 3 ringgit. How is it? So good. Okay, honey. So how much all that we spend for today?
About 25 ringgit.
25 ringgit. So that's include the food, drink, and dessert. Oh, so good.
We just arrived to the Butterworth, to the Penang Central Station. This is the place where you are going to back to Kuala Lumpur by bus. Sometimes the bus is taking you from the Penang Island on the other side of the bridge, but usually from here, especially right now, many buses are cancelled because it's actually very quiet. That's what we realized. Also, we just pick up our visa from our embassy, from the consulate, so happy days. Winnie is so excited about that, but she's inside the building because it's so hot. And well, we have a view of the harbor behind me right now. I'm gonna show you also the Penang Central Station a little bit. Very quiet, that's definitely without doubts. And also many buses were cancelled because whenever we tried to book it, there was like nobody's going, so they just cancelled. But luckily we took one at 5 o'clock back to KL. We chill in the Starbucks, the only one place what is open here for coffee, obviously. And that's the station inside. You have a 4 fingers, so many vending machines to buy the Win, the toy. And well, the Starbucks, of course, obviously, and the rest is closed. And this is the main entrance when the car will drop you if you take a Grab. Also, we took the Grab here for 60 ringgits from the consulate directly here, about 35-40 minutes ride. Like this one, it's about $15 or $14. And also on the other side behind us, there is cruise ships, because you can have a cruise coming from Singapore, stopping in Penang and going to Phuket, for example. That's an interesting fact.
So like Damian mentioned before, the Grab from the Penang to the Butterworth actually cost us around 60 ringgit. But look, the bus from Penang to Kuala Lumpur KL Central only cost us 35 ringgit.
And here we go, we are back to Kuala Lumpur. That's our bus, sitting area, different company than last time because, like I said, was cancelled. Views from outside, like this one, actually currently outside the Penang. Sayak, I think she's sleeping already. So yeah.
Alright, so we just arrived in the KL Central. It's already 11 and we already hungry. We decided to go to McDonald's as usual. We will order something for dinner. Hi honey, you look so tired. So here it is how it is McDonald's. So this one is the KL Central at 11 p.m. As you see, still busy. You know, people just coming from the airport, probably just arrived. And yeah, I think that McDonald's open 24 hours, so it's good. This is our survival food. So as you see in McDonald's, I think this one is the place that is still busy. Damian is waiting for the food. So yeah, over there is the MRT station, and I think the MRT station will close soon. I'm not sure, probably we will be back home by Grab then. So yeah, this is it. How is nightlife in big city? Oh, that's the sound of MRT coming. Can you see it?
As Winnie said, McDonald's for dinner, quarter pounders. Yeah.
Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow from the big city Kuala Lumpur.